Welcome to Rochambeau Estates. I decided to make this short video while being stuck at home in quarantine. This was filmed over the course of several days, so if the sunlight seems off, that's why. The house is oriented with the front to the southwest, with the master bedroom on the southeast side giving us sunlight in the bedroom in the morning. Okay, this is the main entryway with Nancy's office to the viewer's left and the dining room to the right. As we back our way into the living room, we do a quick turnaround to face the fireplace. We back up again to do a flyover the kitchen bar to the breakfast nook. Did I bump the light? You decide. From my 3-bay workshop, we sweep around to see the screened-in porch leading out to the deck. I'd be remiss if I didn't mention Nancy's kitchen. All custom cabinetry with an elaborate backsplash and beautiful granite countertops all around. From the kitchen, we walk straight back to the guest room. That's Waylon and Sarah's room, and then Nancy's crafts room right next door to that. This is where the magic happens. Yep, that's a mudroom / washroom, etc. There is even a hidden secret door in there where we hide our bug-out bags. Just kidding, Christmas decorations and whatnot. And of course, the guest bath. Side note, there's pretty much a bathroom every 20 feet in this house, so you never have to go far to go. Down this hallway is a bathroom on the right, coat closet, and a tech closet, and that's the router and Wi-Fi and such. We have entered the master bedroom. I think it's safe to say it's larger than my first 3 apartments combined. Next, the master bath. Large walk-in closet at the rear and a large tiled shower with river rock floor on the left. Now we head upstairs and start out in the guest bedroom in the southwest side. That's Laura's room. Next, we pull back into what arguably is the greatest man cave in all the lands. There are guitars, TVs, more guitars, computers, more guitars, telescopes, the list goes on. And did I mention a bathroom every 20 feet? Now let's head back outside. Nancy's landscaping design is really starting to pay off. I call the detached garage the toy box. And yes, that's a lot of concrete. I'm not sure, but we have about 1.5 acres of land that butts up to approximately 50 acres of nature preserve that can't be built on. I'm basically flying over the perimeter of the preserve now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and please stay safe.